paradise had a meadow, it would look like this. Welcome to Khajjiar, often called the mini Switzerland of India. Nestled in the lap of Himachal Pradesh, this enchanting meadow is a canvas of rolling green pastures, cedar forests, and a tranquil lake at its heart. Today, we journey through its beauty from serene landscapes to thrilling adventures. As the camera sweeps across the vast meadow, you'll see why Khajjiar is a dream for travelers. The lush grasslands stretch endlessly, framed by towering deodar trees, a perfect blend of calm and grandeur. The quaint English cottage stands as a reminder of colonial elegance, its rustic architecture blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. It's a picture-perfect spot, evoking nostalgia and timeless beauty. As you wander further, every frame tells a story. Children playing, horses grazing, travelers soaking in the tranquility. Khajjiar is not just a destination, it's an experience that balances adventure with peace. Look up, and the skies come alive with paragliders. Floating gracefully above the valley, paragliding here is more than a sport. It's a chance to feel the wind, embrace freedom, and witness Khajjiar's breathtaking panorama from the heavens. Then comes the centerpiece, the Khajjiar Lake, a shimmering jewel surrounded by meadows. Its calm waters mirror the sky and the forest. Whether you stroll along its banks or simply pause to take in the view, the lake whispers serenity, inviting you to slow down and connect with nature. Khajjiar, where the thrill of paragliding meets the calm of the lake, where cottages echo history and meadows stretch like poetry. Thank you for joining this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from India's hidden gems.